So the important thing that we do in Aquaporin, and also the reason why we're standing here tonight, is the fact that we are using something that nature has already developed over billions of years of evolution, and we use that as an ideal building block to create new membrane technology. So it means that we use it the way that nature is doing this to actually make a superior technology, yet at the same time we also make a sustainable technology, because we're using the same principles of low energy consumption that is really behind the reason of many of things in natural development. So this is the reason why this technology really has a great potential in technology, not only in desalination, but really in a lot of different varieties of water membrane processing.
So one of the important things when you start building a new technology like ours, which is really based on nature, is to also to keep in mind that success is a relative thing. It's really success of, for instance, creating the foundation of technology development itself is to get funding. And success in funding is to talk to 100 investors and 99 say no, thank you, and 1 say yes. And I think young inventors, they have to realize this and to keep that in mind when they had the first 90 no's, because at the end they will get a yes if it's a true invention they have.